Hey everybody, it's Alan, shortballedandbearded.com. Today we're going to make one of my favorite entrees that combines all three of my favorite food groups, beef, chicken, and pork. It's a bacon cheeseburger meatloaf, because let's be honest, who doesn't love getting elbow deep in raw hamburger? So we're going to start off with 2 eggs, we're going to beat those, and then add the rest of our wet ingredients. About a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 cup of sugar-free ketchup. In this case I'm using some G. Hughes, which you can pick up at your local store. Then we're going to add those to the hamburger, mix them up real good. Love raw hamburger on my fingers. So once you get it mixed real good, you add your dry ingredients, your salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can use maybe 1/2 cup of real onions. I don't have any, I'm too lazy to go to the store and buy one. Anyway, I've got some green pepper to go in here with it, about 1/2 cup of that to add to it too. Mix it all up real good. Okay, once you have those all mixed up real well, then you're going to put them on a pan with your bacon already laid out on it. This is about 10 ounces of bacon. And put your giant meat football right in the middle. Then you're going to want to make a little hole in the center of it. This is where you're going to put your cheese. I'm using a cup of mozzarella and about a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar. You can use most any cheese you want to use. I just like those together. And you're just going to roll it up on itself. And before you wrap it up all the way, take about a 1/4 to 1/2 stick of butter. Just lay it on top here. And that's really going to help cook some really good flavors into this hamburger. Okay, and you're going to bake this at 350 for about an hour. Okay, so there's the finished product. So if you like this, feel free to leave a comment, like it, share it, subscribe. YouTube, Facebook, and on my site, shortballedandbearded.com. Keep it keto. Until next time, thanks for watching.